what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, and this week I wanted to do a little jewelry collection haul for you guys. I have been obsessed with jewelry almost my entire life. When I was a girl, I loved going to Claire's and getting all the little bits and pieces, and I've just always loved jewelry, and I've always been like really obsessed with it. But one of the biggest problems about jewelry as you grow up is that cute jewelry gets really expensive, and I'm kind of balling on a budget over here. I'm a lifeguard. I make literally minimum wage, and my YouTube channel is not doing too well, so I don't really make a lot of money to buy a lot of jewelry. And that's kind of been my challenge throughout all of my purchasing of jewelry, is that I don't really have the funds to buy really expensive jewelry. So my favorite kind of jewelry to buy is like the stuff off Amazon and like the deals on Etsy. I don't think I realized until I needed to find really cheap jewelry how good Amazon is for jewelry. So I wanted to show you guys my entire jewelry collection. So if you guys are balling on a budget, or you don't make too much money, or you're just looking for a really good deal, I have really awesome pieces for you. So these are the pieces of jewelry I pretty much wear on a day-to-day basis, or it's my go-to pieces whenever it's like an occasion. And another thing before we get started, I recently became a brand ambassador for Bright Swimwear. So Bright Swimwear is a really awesome company, and they have literally the cutest suits ever. Like the really cute tiny bikini tops from Instagram. They are so cute, and the prices are really good, and the quality is really good. You're paying a pretty low price for pretty amazing quality, and I absolutely love all their products. And I recently became an ambassador. You can use code MariaC15 for 15% off all orders, and I really hope you guys use the code and you like it. This is the first thing I've ever done with someone, like another brand, so I hope you guys use the code and you try it out, because their swimwear is literally so cute. Now that that's out of the way, let's get straight into the video, because I have literally so much jewelry to show you guys. So we're going to start out in earrings. Earrings were the first place that I really dabbled with jewelry. So the first pair of earrings I want to show you guys are actually the ones that are currently in my ears. Earrings are things that I wear consistently. I never take out my earrings because I'm really paranoid about my holes closing. So normally I wear hoops because I think they are so adorable, but during swim season, wearing hoops can be really tricky. They fall out, they get tarnished, I don't know. It's not the best. So these are my daily earrings right now. They're all studs, and I really like them. So these first ones are sapphires. They're real sapphires. I got them for my 8th grade graduation from my mom. It was like a really bougie gift, and I was so excited to get them, and I think they are literally the cutest things ever. My birthday month is September, so it's really cool to be able to wear my birthstone on my ear. Is that kind of weird? I don't really know. But I think they're so pretty. They're from Pandora, I believe, and I really love them, and I've been wearing them in my first holes every day. And my second two holes, I have been wearing the Claire's generic studs you get when you get your ears pierced. I think they're called the 3mm balls. They're the best ones to get when you get your ears pierced because they're really generic, and they pretty much go with any kind of earring ever. Personally, I'm a gold girl. I love all things gold. I think it goes really well with my skin tone. I've always loved gold, and so I just went for the gold balls. And they literally never tarnish, which is amazing. And then, so moving on from my daily jewelry and stuff that I've been wearing all the time, the next thing that I have actually been really loving is this. I recently got on Amazon. I got it for a birthday gift as myself. It will be in my 16th birthday haul, which should be out in about 2 weeks. My birthday's in about 2 weeks. And the reason I got this is because I've been wanting a cartilage or a helix piercing literally forever. But my issue with them is that when I'm older, or like when I'm 50, I don't really want to have a cartilage piercing, and I don't want to have a gaping hole in my ear. So I've just decided to go for fake ones. And so I was looking into fake helix piercings, and I wasn't finding anything that cute. But then I came across fake conch piercings, I think they're called, and that's what this is. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I think that the conch, I don't know really what it is. I think it looks really pretty on the ear, and I'm absolutely obsessed with how this is. I just got it like 2 or 3 days ago, so I don't really know the quality of it, but it was on Amazon, and it was only like $6, which is such an amazing deal. The next set of earrings that pretty much I wear almost every day, not during swim season, are these hoops. These are from Nordstrom, I believe. I will link all the jewelry down below. They're just like really cute mini huggy hoops. My only issue with these, they have a stud back, so it doesn't hoop all the way around, and sometimes they like will reverse, like go inside my piercing and then fall out of my ear, if that makes any sense, without me taking out the stud. That's my only problem with these. But I love the color, I love the little diamonds, I love all the details in these, and these were my first pair of huggy hoops ever, and they really just sparked like an obsession with mini hoops and stuff like that, and so I absolutely love these, and I wear them almost every day. Next up, I have the first pair of earrings I ever got. These are just really pretty diamonds. These are, I think, from Nordstrom, but they were super cheap. I think I got them during the anniversary sale. I'm a huge sale shopper. I love shopping during sales. I love a good deal. And so I wear these not as often as I used to, but I used to wear these pretty much every day. These were when diamonds were super in. Everyone at my school wore them. And so I was like, Mom, I need a pair of diamonds immediately. So I got them. They're a really classic pair of earrings, and I love to wear them to dress up any kind of outfit. And I've worn them so much that the diamonds have actually gotten cloudy because they're fake. I really, really love these. The last set of earrings I want to show you guys are these really pretty gold chain tassel earrings. I absolutely love these. My sister got these for me for Christmas. She used to work at Francesca's, and she has the best taste in jewelry ever. It's honestly like I love receiving gifts from her because she picks out the cutest jewelry and she knows exactly what to get me. She knows my style perfectly, so I absolutely love these earrings. They give me like Kendall Jenner vibes, and I think they look really cool in the ear. I never wore dangly earrings before this, and this got me like really into dangly earrings, and I want to get more for sure. And I really like these because they're sturdy, because it's chain. They're not too like flouncy. They don't bounce too much when you're walking. I don't really know if that makes any sense, but I really love these, and they're really good at dressing up literally any kind of outfit. So these are a new classic in my jewelry collection. So that is all the earrings I want to show you guys. Now I'm going to move on to rings. Hey guys, so it is Editing Maria. I realized after I filmed this that my camera accidentally cut out a couple pieces of jewelry. So I did take clips, but I don't have me talking about those pieces. I'm just going to show you guys the clips as I'm talking right now, and I will link every single one of those clips down below so you guys can buy them if you like them. But yeah, I just love all the pieces, and I want to show you guys these ones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Peace out. Pretty much all the rings that I wear on a daily basis. I love rings. I am literally obsessed with them. So the first set of rings I want to show you guys are these ones. From far away they just kind of look like plain gold and silver rings, but actually when you get up close you will find out that these are Cartier knockoff rings. I got these on Amazon probably a year ago. I got really into designer brands a year ago, and my issue with designer brands is they're so unnecessarily expensive. Like, I understand that Cartier is real gold, but I don't really need real gold. I don't think anyone's gonna know if it's real gold unless you're like a jewelry expert and you know all the brands and stuff. And so I'm not gonna pay $1,000 for a ring when I can get it literally for $15 on Amazon. So this is probably one of my favorite dupes I've ever found online. I've always really wanted the Cartier love rings. I've absolutely loved them ever since I saw them for the first time, and I really, really wanted them. So these are them. Pretty much look almost identical. I mean, if you're up really close, you can tell that they're not real Cartier rings. I absolutely love these. And they also, it's really funny, they have the Cartier monogram on the inside, so it looks pretty real to anyone who has an untrained eye in designer things. One day I do want to save up for the Cartier rings, but not anytime in the near future because, like I said, I make minimum wage. The next ring that I own is this really cute, I think it's called like an infinity ring. My parents got it for me for Christmas. It's from Madewell. I love Madewell's products. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but their jewelry is always really cute, and it's pretty much for the most part pretty reasonably priced, especially compared to some of their other clothes and stuff that they have. And I just wear this ring on my thumb. And then the last ring is also a part of my birthday Amazon purchase that I got this conch thing with. It's called a baguette ring. It doesn't really look like a baguette to me. You can't eat it. It's just this really, really beautiful diamond studded ring. It's so pretty. It looks so good on the finger. Like I said, I just wear it. Every ring goes on my middle finger. I'm absolutely obsessed with this ring. It's so beautiful, and I think it goes really well with the jewelry on my hands. Obviously, I want to get more rings in the future, but this is all I own right now, and I'm really happy with all the rings that I have. Now that rings are done, let's move on to bracelets. So the first set of bracelets I want to show you guys are these ones. These are from a really cute boutique owner in my area called Arm Candy, and she custom makes all her jewelry. She takes your wrist size and then she will ask you, do you want any special charms on it and stuff like that, and it's all custom made and it's so fun. My sister and I went and we did it together. It was so much fun. I love these all so much. I think they're so cute, so let me show you this. They're just like really cute beaded bracelets, and they're really easy to get on, and they're super duper nice quality. Like, I absolutely love, love, love the quality of these bracelets. I feel like they're gonna last for a really long time, and I love the little star one. I think that one is my favorite, and they're just really, really cute bracelets, and I wear them literally all of the time. The first bracelet I have is this really cute bracelet. It's just like a plain silver band. It's this really adorable silver band. It says Faith on it, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this bracelet. It was a gift, I think, from one of my mom's friends like a couple years ago. She's so cute. She always gets my sister and I gifts for our birthdays, and I just love this bracelet. It's super simple, but it's also just like really chic at the same time, and I think it pretty much goes with anything. Silver is not my favorite color, but I do like mixing metals, so it is nice to mix it with a couple of other metals that I have in my closet. The next piece of jewelry I'm going to show you guys is this really cute knot bracelet, I think you would call it. It's just like a really cute knot. I don't really know how to explain it. It's a sterling silver bracelet. Again, it's super chic and it goes perfectly with that Faith bracelet, so I love to layer those two together. It's really classic. It never goes out of style and I love it so much. So this one is one of my faves. So this is an Alex and Ani bracelet. I'm going to do my best to show you guys this piece of jewelry. It's this really cute silver bangle with just a sapphire on it. I've worn this so much that it actually has started to tarnish. I've had it for about 4 years, to be fair, but I love it so much and I continue to wear it literally all the time because it is so cute. And I love the little sapphire gem. I love my birthstone. It's so pretty. I got the best birthstone ever. I'm just going to rope watches in with bracelets. This watch was actually a gift from my grandmother. So this you probably won't be able to get anywhere. It's a vintage Perry Ellis watch. I don't really know where she got it from. It's this really pretty gold face watch with a black band. It's super simple and it says America in it. And I think it's so cute. And it's just really basic and really timeless, and it goes with any outfit, and I really love it. And I wore it every day until I got my Apple Watch. Now I'm like obsessed with my Apple Watch because I love having like all the information and being able to text people. It's so fun. But I wore this all the time and I absolutely love this watch. I think it's really classic and it goes with the dressier outfits instead of my Apple Watch, which is kind of like bulky. So I love this watch so much and it's one of my favorite things that I own. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to necklaces. Again, necklaces were one of those things that I really used to hate. I used to be like in a constant fear that my necklace was going to choke me. And then I got my first necklace that I wore pretty much every day and I never take it off. You guys have probably seen it in almost every video I've ever filmed on this channel because I think I've had it. I got it for my birthday last year. It's from my grandma. It's this really gorgeous Arabic necklace. It just says my name in Arabic, but I love it so much and I pretty much never take it off. The only reason I'm taking it off now is because, like I said, it's swim season and I don't want it to tarnish because it's so beautiful and I want to wear it every day for the rest of my life. The next necklace I own is actually also from my grandma. Also another necklace that says Maria on it. I kind of love my name too and I wear it around my neck just in case people didn't know it. Just a good way to know who I am. I'm really obsessed with necklace just because it's really plain and simple, and the one thing that I really love about it is that it's on 3 levels, so I can either wear it really long as a choker or mid-length. Layers really well with my Arabic necklace, so these are my 2 everyday necklaces at the moment and I will just layer both of them on top of each other and they look super good together. The next necklace I own is actually from my dad and I believe this is from Madewell. I'll try and ask him if he remembers where it's from or I'll link something similar down below. And I used to wear this necklace every day. I don't anymore and it's just super simple. I love simple gold jewelry and I love the beading detail on it. I think it's so pretty and yeah, I just really love this necklace. The next necklace I own is actually probably my favorite piece of jewelry just because it's a really special reminder of my Italy trip that I went on this summer. If you don't know, I don't think I've mentioned it in my videos. I went backpacking in Italy for 16 weeks with a group of friends and it was so much fun. I made friends for life and I had the greatest time. If you're thinking about traveling abroad with a group of students and you haven't done it before, 100% do it. It's so much fun. But this is the necklace that I got in Italy. So the charm itself is from the Murano glass blowing in Venice. So the charm is about $30. Like, I absolutely love the charm. It's like a pretty star moon thing. I'm really into the stars and the moon and astrology. I'm pretty basic like that. And it has a really pretty gold beading around it. I was in the store and the lady was like, you have to pay 60, well it's 30 euro, which I think is around $32. And the lady was like, you have to pay 60 euro for a chain. I was like, I'm not going to spend 90 euros on a necklace. And it was a pretty basic necklace, like not going to lie, it's a charm and a chain. Like I'm not going to pay that kind of money for it. So I said, okay, I'll just take the charm and I'll find a chain at home to put it on. But then we were walking around Italy and I found this really gorgeous chain and it was only €4. And I actually think it goes with the necklace better than the actual chain at the glass blowing place did. And I'm super obsessed with it. I'm so glad that I waited. So that's like a huge tip. there's stores all around Venice that sell the same kinds of things for way less money, and this was such a good choice, and I'm so glad that I waited because I actually think that this chain goes better with the chain that the lady tried to sell me, and it's so pretty on and I love it so much, and it reminds me of my trip, and it's just one of my favorite pieces of jewelry that I own. So the last piece of jewelry I want to show you guys is actually probably the most outrageous piece of jewelry I own. It's from Express. This was a gift for my 13th birthday. Oh my god, it's so tangled. Oh my god, hold on. Like I said, I never used to wear jewelry, and so I never ever wore this. And then all of a sudden I was just like, I'm gonna put it on one day, and I actually love it so much. It's this huge necklace. It layers pretty much down to my belly button. It's so pretty. This was a gift from one of my really fashionable friends. He's super awesome and I love him so much. He went to a different school, which is really sad, and I miss him a lot. But he got me this necklace and I think it's so pretty and I love it so much, and I wear it. Ah! I just dropped it. Oh, it's all tangled again. And I wear it like it literally dresses up any kind of outfit. It looks so bougie. It looks so amazing and I love it so much. I can't believe I used to never wear it because it was so extravagant. But now I wear it all the time and I love it. So that's definitely one of my favorite pieces. But anyway, you guys, that is the entire video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I'm obsessed with my jewelry collection. It's something that I've built from the ground up, and it's something that I hope to continue growing, especially with some more expensive pieces so I can flex a little bit harder. But yeah, this is everything I've been loving, and I hope that you guys gathered some inspiration, or you're gonna buy some of the jewelry that I have, especially because it's pretty cheap. Like, not to brag, I found some pretty good deals. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and give it a huge thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And if you feel inclined to do so, turn on the notification bell to always be notified anytime I post a video. I post every single Monday, so expect to see me back here next Monday with a new video at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. So I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Love y'all.